Good afternoon, folks. BB McClinkerson here. This afternoon, we're going to do part 2 on the Venturi Lil Duke. This is going to be as new to me as it is to you. We're going to try to completely tear this down. My plan is to do something different and beautiful with the stocks, upgrade the power plant, add a GAMO red dot sight to it. In case you didn't see the video this morning, this FPS tested after 10 shots at 368.53 FPS out of the box. Very impressive to me. Excited about doing this one and see what we can squeeze out of it. So let's quickly tear it down. Not too quickly so I don't mess it up, but that's the plan. Put that to the side. So these are Allen bolts. This one is different to me. I'm wondering if that's the block pin for the spring. I'm thinking it might be, and we'll go from there because I don't see one that slides in like a daisy. These are 2.5 millimeter Allen, in case you didn't know. So I have the, and they're two-sided. So let's take the front stock, put that aside. Brand new out of the box. We're going to strip it right down and do some stuff to it. There's that. Let's do the rear stock, see if it'll come easily. 2.5 Allen. Whoa, it's a little different on that side, I think. Might be a little larger. It might be 3 on that side. 3 millimeter one side, 2.5 mil the other. Okay. So the capture bolt goes on the driver's side with a small 2.5, 3-inch capture, 2.5 millimeter screw. 3 mil, 2.5 mil. This one's weird. Hopefully that appears to be stripped. Hopefully not. Brand new. Let's take out the lever. $3 mil. $3 mil, $3 mil. They're all different. Let's see what we get. Let's try some different ones. I may be wrong on that. It might be 3 mil, 2.5 mil. Okay, this one's the lever coming out. I might have to play around a little bit. Capture bolt, screw. Now comes the lever. That appears to be metal. Let's put this in here so we don't lose it. So we're not going to do anything with the lever as far as modifications. Put them together since we've never done one of these before. Okay. Let's see if we get the proper sizes on these. Okay, that's the right one there. Yeah, there we go. It's trying to slip. Try this one. It's tighter. So they may be standard size, but not metric. There we go. Short screw. capture bolt. Okay, that's another screw. There's 3 screws in the rear stock. That's a good thing. Oh, that's why there's not this screw. Same as the Daisy. And that's a Phillips. Air Venturi, Lil Duke projects. Rear stock is out. Pretty simple. Could probably make a longer one out of that really simply. Okay. Let's take out the trigger mechanism next. Okay. And I'll try like a Daisy, center the safety. See how it slips out. Pops right out. It's got the bear trap, which I'm thinking we can do the trigger job on it. It looks the same. Rear spring. Bear trap could probably be removed. Probably this junk is almost identical. All right, so let me get a light and look in there because I don't know what's going on for sure. All right, that is, it's like a different kind of trigger pin. Let's take out the spring block. Try it. See if we can destroy this thing. We can take off this sight mount carefully. That's your game all sight mount. Oh, there's the block pin right there. So it may work the same. Let me, okay, let's get the tool, push down on the spring. Yep, oh, she's stiff. Out comes the pin, it's identical. Coming back. Here's your power plant. It doesn't appear that we can do any drilling on that. That may be 764 already. I will measure it out later in a later video. It's got a nice big fat wiper spring. Roller tip there, which is interesting. It's nice. I mean, this thing fires at high speed. I'm not sure. Yeah, I imagine we could put at least a spacer on there and go from there, see what we get out of it. I'm not going to take out the front sight or the shot tube. I haven't taken out the BBs yet. I should have. Usually that's the first thing I do. But let's test firing it. So at this point, I didn't have to remove that at all. And I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave this all alone. And that's your disassembly. We're going to hop up the tube, put it back in. Probably just a spacer. Like I say, the shot tube may be already. Let me get a drill bit. Give me 2 seconds and see if it's already 764. There's no space to drill. So the air tube is a slightly tight at 764. I feel like you could drill it a hair, but I don't. It's very thin-sided. I may do it. We'll see. That'll be another video. All right, that's it. That's teardown, Lil Duke. Next one, I'll do some a short, and it'll be probably doing something different with the stocks. And then I'll do something on the power plant for you, and then the site, and we'll be good from there. BB McPlinkerson, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. YouTube, Insta, TikTok, Facebook. Comment, everything. Thank you very much.